Hi everyone. One of my favorite things about this Thousand Trails trip was all the ducks and geese roaming freely around the park. They added such a peaceful and charming feeling to the campground. So today, I wanted to share some of those sweet little nature moments with you. Let's take a look. Thank you so much for watching these peaceful moments with the ducks and geese. Nature really has a way of helping us slow down and relax. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and come back for more relaxing travel and nature adventures. See you in the next video.